of Kenya as Her Majesty's first
program in 2020 of strong, dynamic and fruitful.
To be able to return to this extraordinary country
In forest complex, a water
facing here and now
for both our countries.
of 400 members of the Kenya United Kingdom.
Comfortable truths.
of the myriad links between our two countries.
First step under your leadership. We are therefore confident.
President Dr. William Ruto.
The third day of defense and security. I trust that this visit, a veteran missionary, former British presence in Kenya was pleased.
I know, Mr. President, that you and I share.
We as prisoners of the past, neither can we to receive and host you in Kenya. That